All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Bombs, Sir Frederick, Southern Burst. And on the further outside is entry number 9, Amazing Act and New Chapter. Southern Burst, Bombs, Amazing Act. Sir Frederick running by the rail. Moving up is entry number 5, Pegasus. Smart Alec is racing 6th position. New Chapter. Mr. Godfather Celestial Strike for School Turner. And Star Turk is running at the tail of the field. Sudden Burst by some 5 lengths, followed by Bombs, Sir Frederick. Amazing Act is on the outside, and Pegasus down on the inside. Is Smart Alec racing in 5th, running 6 by the New Chapter. 7th position belongs now to Mr. Godfather and Bombs as they race to the last corner. Sudden Burst by some 5 lengths. Amazing Act is now running in 2nd. Sir Frederick moving up is Pegasus, Smart Alec, New Chapter, Mr. Godfather, Bombs, Strike Force, Cool Turner, Celestial, and Star Torch still running at the tail of the field. Entering the last 75 meters, coming home from A to C, the favorite Sudden Burst. Second, Smart Alec, Pegasus, New Chapter, Amazing Act, and for your super sa is Sir Frederick.